In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an aesthetic Notion page. We'll start by shaping the layout so your content feels intentional and easy to scan. Build columns by grabbing the drag handle on the left of any block and moving it to the right of another block until you see a vertical blue guide. This lets you place text, images, or databases side by side. For more complex layouts, you can nest columns inside other columns, but keep it balanced. Aim for clear visual hierarchy rather than cramped sections. To separate sections, add dividers with 3 hyphens for a clean line, or create simple text-based dividers with a colored text block and a short label. If your page feels tight, open the 3-dot menu at the top right and switch to full width. This gives multi-column layouts room to breathe and makes spacing easier to manage. Next, customize the look to match your style. In that same menu, choose a font, default for modern, serif for editorial, or mono for a technical vibe, and adjust the text size so headings stand out. Add a custom icon to give the page personality. You can source unique icons from reputable icon libraries for a cohesive style. Set a high-resolution cover image as your banner. Pick something that sets the mood and aligns with your theme, like a subtle gradient, a textured pattern, or a calm landscape. Choose a consistent color palette and stick to it across headings, dividers, and text backgrounds. Limiting yourself to 2 or 3 accent colors helps everything feel unified and avoids visual noise. When adding images or GIFs, use them intentionally. Place them to reinforce content or provide breathing room, not to fill space. If you'd like a dynamic touch, embed widgets like clocks or calendars from trusted widget providers, but keep them relevant to the page's purpose. Now organize your content for clarity. Use heading blocks to define sections and apply a consistent structure. Toggling is your friend. Put detailed notes, tasks, or references inside toggle lists so your page stays clean while deeper information is just a click away. Avoid duplicating the same database across multiple places. Instead, create different views of a single database, such as a board, list, or timeline, and filter each view for context. Finally, use callout blocks to highlight key information. Color code them sparingly so they draw attention without overwhelming the page. With thoughtful layout, consistent styling, and mindful organization, your Notion pages will look polished, minimal, and genuinely useful.